Okay, so class, let us have a short review and recap of our previous lesson. We only have 5 minutes since we started at 5:05. So we will be ending at 6:05. So I will discuss first yung as a short recall or recap of our or summary of our previous lesson. So public speaking. Can you see the screen? Okay. Ayan. Ayan. Public speaking. Can you see the screen? Can you see the screen, class? All right. So let us continue. So public speaking. Okay. Skip the class mission and etiquette. So storytelling lesson 8. Why do you need storytelling skills? Because storytelling can enhance the overall impact and effectiveness of the message being conveyed. It enhances audience engagement, improves message retention, makes the content more relatable, and contributes to the overall success of communication. In other words, storytelling improves the overall capacity to do some impact or influence or effectivity of the message being conveyed in public speaking. A well told story can turn a good speech into a memorable and impactful one. So, how can storytelling help a speaker? Incorporating short stories into your speech can make the presentation more engaging, entertaining, and memorable. Stories are powerful tools for engaging listeners for several reasons. Because storytelling is like having a connection with other people's experiences and emotions. So, emotional connection, stories have the ability to evoke or cause emotions or to prompt them. Storytellers create an emotional connection with listeners. Emotional engagement helps to capture the audience's attention and makes the narrative more memorable. So just like what I've said a while ago, 'di ba? It makes the message more memorable and the speech itself. It has a more chance or greater chance of audiences or listeners retention, because since audiences or listeners have short attention span, like all of us, we need to find a way to connect to their emotions and transfix or capture their attentions. Visualization. Stories stimulate the imagination as listeners follow the narrative. They mentally visualize the events, people, and places described. This active mental participation enhances engagement by making the experience more personal and vivid. So when we say class, vivid, clear, or colorful and lucid. So you are able to imagine. Teaching lessons, stories are a natural vehicle for conveying lessons and moral principles, whether through fables, parables, or anecdotes. Fables is the story about animals. Parables is the story based on the things that happened in time of God, Jesus Christ, and the apostles. And then anecdotes are the stories with lessons about proper decorum, etiquette, and right behaviors and attitudes. How to incorporate short stories in your speech. Choose age appropriate stories. Select stories that are suitable for the age group you are addressing. So if your target audience or listeners are children or kids, you need uh to use age appropriate stories. It if your target audiences or listeners are adults, so you better choose age appropriate stories because the the stories must be aligned with the age range or bracket of the listeners, diba? Okay, next. Start with a hook. Okay, begin your speech with an attention-grabbing introduction or short, exciting story. This sets the tone for the speech and captures the children's interest right from the start. So, hook statement. It gives interest and excitement to the listeners. Use vivid descriptions, clear and colorful descriptions. Paint a vivid picture with your words. Describe characters, settings, and events in a way that sparks the imagination of the audience. Engage their senses by incorporating colorful and descriptive language, which includes adjective and adverbs. Diba? Next. Relate stories to the message. Okay, tapos na. I guess. Oh.